everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Look what I have. And this is a big one too. I have my Stitch Fix. This is my June Stitch Fix. I hope maybe I can get 2 Stitch Fix this month, because you know what? My past few Stitch Fixes have been pretty good. But hey, if you are new to my channel, I want to welcome you. My hand's dirty. I feel like since I'm touching the cardboard, got dirty hands, but they seem to be clean. Anyway, welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you are here. To my returning subscribers, hello. If you are new, I hope that you will subscribe and join me for another video. I have a lot of fun here. It's all about clothes, and I love my Stitch Fix. This arrived a couple days ago. Guys, I am putting every box I get in the garage still, because you know why? Because I have an elderly mother and she's very healthy, and we just take every precaution to keep her that way. So I have been dying to get into this box. I do want to share it with you, but you know what? I'm a little bit short on time. So this might be a quick one. Hopefully it's a quick one. I'm a real chatty patty, so let's see if I can zip it, show you the clothes, try it on, and get out of here. Guys, if you're new to Stitch Fix, I have left all the information, everything that I know about Stitch Fix is in the description box below. I do have a referral link if you want to give Stitch Fix a try for your very first time. You can get some credit. I get some credit. I have some credit. Thank you. Gosh, I can't thank you enough. Any of you that have used my links, and you just help me to make the clothing more affordable. I have some credit on this box, so I could potentially get a piece for free. I shouldn't say for free because of you. So thank you so very much. And you know what? If you haven't used my link and you're watching this video, thank you so much, because you guys really support by watching the videos, by leaving comments, leaving a thumbs up. All of that is just such a wonderful gift, and I really thank you. And I am talking a lot. I've got my knife here, and I am going to break into this because this is a big one, and I'm kind of excited to see what is in the big box. So this is what it looks like. Guys, I never peek, I never cheat, because this is one of the few surprises that we get, right? A surprise box of clothes that my stylist picked out. Anything that doesn't work, I can send back. This is a prepaid mailer. I just drop it off at the post office. It's very easy. I do have an invoice in here, and the note from my stylist is right there. I'll look at those in a bit. I see. Did you guys see that? There's a bag, and it's pretty. This is a really large bag in a mustard color. So that's what it looks like. This is by Urban Expressions. You know, this Urban Expressions might be exclusively Stitch Fix. I've never seen it anywhere else, but I do own some Urban Expression bags that I've picked up at Stitch Fix. This one is the Amherst Multi-Zip Tote in mustard. And they know that I do like a tote bag. But you know what? Lately, I am wearing a crossbody. Can you believe it? I am really enjoying that lighter, smaller bag. So let's look at this. Okay, this looks like it's got 3 compartments. That's the center compartment. And then we have, okay, that's a smaller pocket right there. Look at how pretty that interior. I like that. It's a little reminiscent of Kate Spade, no, with the stripes. So the side pockets are considerably smaller, and the inside has a couple card slip pockets, and then there is a zip pocket there. I love this color. This is really a pretty bag. There is no crossbody strap, so this would be a shoulder bag. What do you think? You like it? I don't know. I'll have to model it. I'll try it with some of the options they sent. All right, here we go. Here's the burrito. Ooh, okay. This looks very interesting. Okay, look at that. I don't know. I don't know what to think. It's looking good so far. In fact, let's just open it. Okay. On the top is something super cute and green. Okay, oh, this is 41 Hawthorne. I can see the tag right here. Look at this print. Isn't this wonderful? Okay, this is a polyester split neck top with pin tucking on it in a lovely shade of green. It also has some pin tuck or almost like a pleat detail in the back. And this is called the brace and pleat detail blouse in teal green. This does not look like teal to me. This looks like almost like Crayola green to me, but I like this. This looks good. All right, something that feels like a t-shirt. This is Market and Spruce. Oh, I like this. Okay, who are you? This is Lazide textured print top in light blue. Market and Spruce. Look at this. It's a tank top, and it has a lace detail in the front. Can you see that? Now I like this because it feels really nice, but let's see what the fabric content is. Polyester, rayon, and spandex. Okay, I like that it's predominantly polyester, but it does have a bit of a t-shirt feel. So I think the back of it is rayon and the front of it is polyester. You guys know I liked the mixed material blouses. They're just really, really comfortable. Okay, this is what was making me happy. Let's see. Okay, it's a dress. And it looks like a longer length dress. This is Wisp. This is a brand I have a lot of. They make really cool prints, this dress. But it looks like a shark bite hem. And it's blues and yellows and very, very sunshine-like. And just a bit of a halter neckline. It does have a hidden zip in the back. What is it called? This is a Stitch Fix exclusive. And okay, here's the tag. This is the slate knit dress. Okay, what size? Okay, I hope it fits. This is Gen 7. Okay, I like this brand. These are pink denim. Okay, they do have the raw hem there. And cropped skinny. I don't know if I need any hot pink denim. Only because, guys, I have put on so much weight. I do not know if I want to call any attention to that. Let's see. Would this baby blue top, would that go? Or would that go? I'm going to try both tops on with the pink denim. That's it. Yeah, that's 5 pieces. Let's try everything on and see how it looks. Cross your fingers. I'm back and I've tried everything on and there's some fit issues. Yeah, I am a lot bigger than the clothes, but you know what? You're my friends and I'm going to share it with you. And my apologies. But you know what? That's what friends do, right? And the reason I did the try on and I'm going to share it with you is because my stylist picked some pretty good pieces. They just don't fit perfectly. But with Stitch Fix, you can exchange. I can exchange for a larger size. And I think if I just sized up and everything, actually, it would work. So yeah, bear with me on this one. Let's talk about the prices on this first. The total of this fix is $367. $367. And the buy all discount is $91.75, which brings the total to $275.25. I think that is super expensive for what I received. But we'll go over everything and I'll share the individual prices with you. And I can't wait to get your feedback on this fix. Let's start with the dress. This is the Wisp slate print dress. It does have that shark bite hem, which I actually really liked. I think the shark bite hem is a thing of, it might be a little dated. What do you think about that? Is it timeless or has it already had its moment? Now, this one is too small. That's my fault. I thought I really need to make the time and go in and change my sizes. I thought I had and this is just too small. I could not zip it up in the back. My husband's not here to help out, but I did want to show it to you because I kind of like this dress. And with Stitch Fix, they make it very easy. I could exchange this for one size up. One size up would be very, very comfortable. I could zip it all by myself. And I do think, had it been secured and zipped, I think that the neckline would have been perfect. It will work with a bra. You guys know, if you've been watching me for any length of time, you know I have a collection of these wisp dresses. They all kind of look alike. They're all bright, cheerful colors and prints. And to be honest with you, I've had several of these. I have some in my closet right now. I've given some away. I may have sold some. I don't know. I don't know if I need another one. This is a dress that, let me know your comments on this. Should I exchange? I like this one. I think this one looks really nice with the bag too. It's $84. $84. So yeah, let me know what you think about this one. Guys, I had high hopes for this one. This is the Market and Spruce top. This is the Azid top, and it is the textured print and the mixed material, so it does have the rayon in the back, and this was just way too small for me. I mean, it was figure hugging, which I do not think it's intended to be. In fact, it was uncomfortably tight on me. You could see all my love handles through the back, and if this accidentally gets dried, yeah, I couldn't even put it on. So this, unfortunately, is just a hard pass for me. This one's $58. Now, if it was in my size, if it fit, I would probably keep it. Would you exchange? Should I try an exchange on this one, or should I just pass? It was so frustrating. It just reminds me of how chubby I am. The next one is this one Market and Spruce? 41 Hawthorne. And I really like the print on this one. And this one was a better fit, but it still was a little bit tight around my hips. This one is also $58. What was this one called? The Brayson pleat detail blouse. I don't know. And you know what? In my stylist note, she did ask me to pair both blouses with the pink jeans that she sent. I love this print, but you know what? I just don't think it looked that great. It just wasn't a showstopper. I'm looking for a showstopper, I guess. And these would be showstoppers if I could wear them. But I don't wear colored denim well because I'm very curvy on the bottom, and I just feel like it accents my curves, and I've never really been very comfortable with colored denim, and trust me, I've tried it. I've bought it, and it normally never leaves my house. I think I'm going to wear it. And this, I think these are adorable. I really think these are adorable, just not for me. They are a skinny too. And my stylist noted that I had asked them not to send me any more skinnies because, like I said, I want the more trendy styles, the kick flare, just more trendy denim. I don't need any more straight leg denim, and these are $99, and these also they're just going straight back, and I'll let my stylist know. I'm happy to try different things. And what did you think, though, about the pink and green together? Or the pink and the light blue? I think it was really fun to try it. I'm glad that my stylist suggested it because I like, they're both outfits I would not have put together, but my stylist actually wanted me to put them together. Had everything been one size bigger, I think that I would probably be considering buying some of the clothes should I size up in the dress. I think that's the only thing I'm strongly considering, but there's one more piece. The handbag. The Urban Expressions Amherst tote bag. This one is $68. And you know what? It's my favorite thing because it fits. Yeah, I know that's crazy. Shoes and bags always fit, and I was thinking about that. I deserve a treat. Should I treat myself to a handbag? I don't think so. I don't think so because like I told you just recently, I started wearing a crossbody, a smaller crossbody bag that I am really enjoying. And I do have a couple really big bags that I purchased from Stitch Fix. I have the Urban Expression bag. These are just a vegan leather. They're not a real leather, and for $68, I'm not going to add another bag to my collection that I'm not excited to wear. I like it, it fits, but I think everything's going back this time, and that's on me. That is not on my stylist. I take full responsibility for not having the correct sizes in my profile. But I'm still a little bit bummed because I always look forward to the surprises in my Stitch Fix box. And, you know, if I find something, I'm always styling it to wear tomorrow. So, yeah, I guess I'm going to have to reach into my own closet to find my outfit for tomorrow. Guys, thank you so much for sticking with me, for watching this to the very end. And I know you were rooting for me, but please let me know what you think about that dress. And I'm going to change those sizes just as soon as I'm finished filming this video, and I'm going to see if I can get another Stitch Fix rapidly. We'll see how that one works out. Give the video a thumbs up, just show a little bit of support. Subscribe if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you in the next one. Blessings to all of you.